Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mahmoud Hassan, Assistant Teacher, Agriculture, Greenfield School and College. Today I am going to discuss about some important creative questions on chapter 3. So let's go. Question 1. The yard of Mojid, a farmer, gets filled with straw, empty grains and leaves in every threshing season of crops. As a result, the environment of the house becomes dirty and unhygienic. With the device of the sub-assistant agriculture officers, Mojid adopted the method of utilizing the wastage and applied these to his agriculture field. Answer question A. What is called organic matter? The answer is the substance which is produced by the decomposition of plant and animal dead body, homestead plants, vegetables wastage, leaves, straws, stool of animals, etc. is called organic matter. Is called organic matter. Now question B. The crop production of a field depends on its soil texture. Explain the method. Answer of question B is the comparative quantity or percent of ratio of sand, silt and clay particles in the soil is called soil texture. It is difficult to plow if the presence of sand or clay particle is more in the soil. On the other hand, it is comparatively easy to plow the land if half% of sand, silt and clay particle are present. Production of crops is also good, so it can be said that the crop production of a field depends on soil texture. Question C. How will Mojid utilize the wastage of his house? Explain. Mojid's house gets filled with straw, unfilled grains and leaves. We know organic matter in the soil is produced as a result of decomposition of plant and animal dead body. If wastage of Mojid's house is mixed with the soil, it will turn into organic matter being decomposed. There is organic matter in organic fertilizer. It improves physical, chemical and biological characteristics of soil. It checks soil erosion, makes the air, water movement of the soil easier, increases number of earthworms and their activities in soil, controls soil moisture and temperature. Now question D. Analyze how Mojid's decision will influence his agricultural activity. Answer is Mojid decided that he will prepare organic fertilizer mixing with homestead wastage with the soil. Organic matter in the soil, organic matter will be increased if organic fertilizer is used in the soil. In presence of organic matter in the soil, physical, chemical and biological characteristics of soil will be improved. Soil erosion will be decreased. The air and water will able to move in the soil. Number of earthworms and their activities in the soil will be increased. Soil moisture and temperature will remain at sufficient standard. If soil condition improves by this way, mozzi's production will be increased. Necessity of using fertilizer, irrigation, etc. will be decreased in his hand. As a result, mozzi's agricultural activities will become easier than before. Question 2. Group ABC, nature of particles 70% sand, 40% sand and 60% sand. Classification of soil. First one is a symbol, exclamatory symbol. Second one is loamy soil and third one is also an exclamatory symbol. The characteristics of first group, group A, is a kind of melon crop, a kind of melon futi, bangi and watermelon. And group C, crop of group C make the land level for rice cultivation. Okay. Question A. What is soil? The answer is soil is the uppermost layer of the earth's surface, which is formed by the integration of minerals and organic matter. Why are organic matters called the life of the soil? Explain. The activities of microorganisms of the soil increases in the presence of organic matter. Besides, organic matter improves physical, chemical and biological characteristics of the soil, checks soil erosion, increases number of earthworms and their activities in soil, controls soil moisture and temperature. For these reasons, organic matter is called the life of soil. Now, question C. Explain how the soil in group C can be made suitable for rice cultivation. The answer is there is 60% sand in soil of group C. So, this is loamy soil. The soil that contains less than 70% of sand particle but more than 20% is called loamy soil. As there is 60% sand in the soil of group C, this soil is included in loamy soil. Naturally, sandy loamy soil is suitable for paddy cultivation, but more crops can be produced by applying compost, cow dung and green manure in this soil. Now question D. There is 40% sand in soil of group B. We have seen that there is 40% sand in group B. Now question, which soil among the given chart is best suitable one for crop cultivation? Analyze the reasons. Best is group B because there is 40% of sand, less amount of sand. So the answer is there is 40% of sand in the soil of group B in the chart. This is loamy soil. There is 60% sand in the soil of group C. This is sandy soil, and there is 70% sand in the soil of group A. So this is sandy soil. We know that the soil which contains less than 70% sand particle but more than 20% is called loamy soil. But a typical loamy soil should contain 50% sand particle and rest half silt and clay. This soil is suitable for cultivation. All kinds of crops grow better in this type of soil. There is 40% sand in the group B. The soil is directly suitable for cultivation. 60% sand contains in the soil of group C. Paddy crops cannot be cultivated directly in this soil. Organic matter should be applied. Organic matter should be applied. 70% sand remains in the soil of group A. This soil is completely unsuitable for paddy cultivation. It is necessary to apply enough manure and organic matter to cultivate paddy. Or watermelon fruity type crops should be cultivated. So it can be said that the soil of group B is best one for crop cultivation. Now question 3. Look at this picture. There is 25% water, 25% air, 45% mineral and 5% organic matter in a circle. So question A. What quantity of water does soil contain? Answer is the quantity of water in soil is about 25%. This answer is given in the figure. Look at this figure. Here it is written 25% water. Question B. Air is an important component of soil. Explain. In this figure there is 25% air. So question arises here is air is an important component of soil. Question B. Answer is air is the most essential component for the life of trees. The nodular bacteria of plants, fungus and other microorganisms activities that require are provided by soil air. For this reason, air is called an important component of soil. Nodular bacteria is a kind of bacteria that flows fly on air. The nodular bacteria fly on air. Nodular bacteria comes to the root of pulse crop and produce nodule. In the nodule they supplies nitrogen. So, and nitrogen is essential for pulse crop and also for the soil. For this reason, air is called an important component of soil. How? Question C. How was soil texture made from? Part B. Describe. Answer is part B of figure is mineral matter. It occupies 45% of soil. The influences of natural forces like temperature, rainfall, wind blow, air, and snowfall, etc., have crushed parent rock and created inorganic or organic matters of soil for a long time. The sand, silt, and clay particles are mineral matters of soil. Thus, mineral matters are mixed at various proportion and have formed different soil textures. Here some words are unknown to you. That is parent rock. What is parent rock? Parent rock is the first material of the earth. From this parent rock, soil is produced. Soil is produced from this parent rock. If rock is grinded into a small particle, it becomes mineral. Now question D. Which part of figure is important to make clay soil suitable for cultivation? Give your opinion. Part A of the figure can play a vital role in making clay soil suitable for cultivation. Look at this part A. This is part A, that is a mineral. The name of the part is not mineral, organic matter. Part B is mineral. Part A is organic matter. The name of this part is organic matter. The quantity of organic matter in the soil is 5%. The soil that contains minimum 40% clay particle is called clay soil. This soil is difficult to plow, but this soil may be made suitable for cultivation by applying organic fertilizer. As organic fertilizer improves the soil's physical, chemical, and organic manures, it makes water and air movement easy in the soil. Besides, it controls moisture and temperature of soil. As a result, fertility of soil is increased. Thanks for watching this video.